सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we are going to learn how to create a web page design using Adobe Photoshop. So here I open a new document and I want to click on web. In web you can find there is an option, it's called 1920 into 1080, right? And I make it portrait. Okay, this is 1920 into 1080. Then I press OK, create. After creating my canvas, then what I did, I just go to view and I make some guideline. I need horizontal 620, I need horizontal 1620, and I need a horizontal guide 1120. So basically this one and this one is same, and this is 300 pixel and this is 620, right? So I make a guideline, then I want to make horizontal guideline, this is 40, and create a new view, new guide 1040, right? So my left and right side will be 40 pixel margin, and this one 620, 500, 500 and 300. So I basically divided my web page into four parts, 1 2 3 4, right? This is header part, this is body part, and these are my selection and articles, right? So first what I do, I just want to make header first. So look how can I make my header. Just drop the same column. Now I want to write something, right? I make some design and write some text here. Now I want to import an image here, right? I import an image here. Then what I do, I just want to make a layer, and I want to make a hamburger here, hamburger menu, I mean. Fine, this will be my menu, drop the menu. Okay, so then I want to write some content here, right? Fine, I just write some content. Then I want to divide this page. Basically I want to divide in two sides. Here is some about me, and here is my some technical graph like skills, right? So what to do, I just write something here. I just write some of my content here about me, and if you want to download, you can download this also, right? So here I make some design. The next step is I need some design, some my portfolio be here, right? Some of my latest work, if you want to check, and I want to place some my portfolio images here. I mean, I want to make this button in HTML. Right, I put up some my portfolio here, and I select the app. Okay, fine. I select this one and this one step, it's okay. So if you see my work, you just click here. Then the next step is my footer one, right? Okay, here I design my mail ID and something like that. Fine. And the last step is my footer. My this is my footer, and I want to color. So here I make some text, some social media icon, and all that region. So look guys, here is my layer. So I make all the layer with speed format, right? And my size, you look how can I divide my artboard into different sections. Then I make design. This is my personal portfolio. So you are going to make your own portfolio, so you can make like this, right? I will see you the final project. So here is my final project, a layout designing using Adobe Photoshop, right? So if you guys like my design, so please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.